China Railway CRH380A. The CRH380A hexi-simplified Chinese, Hezai Hao, traditional Chinese, Hezai Hao, pinyin hexi Hao literally, harmony, is a Chinese electric high-speed train that was developed by CSR Corporation Limited (CSR) and is currently manufactured by CSR Qingdao Sifeng Locomotive and Rolling. As a continuation of the CRH380 program, it both replaces foreign technology in the CRH2 with Chinese developments and increases its top speed. The CRH380 is designed to operate at a cruise speed of 350 km/h 217 mph and a maximum speed of 380 km/h 230. The original 8-car train set recorded a top speed of 416.6 km/h 258.9 mph during a trial run. The longer 16-car train set reached 486.1 km/h 302.0 mph. CRH380 is one of 4 Chinese train series which have been designed for the new standard operating speed of 380 km/h 236 mph on newly constructed Chine. Officially, it is the only series of the 4 not based on a foreign design, and although it was not produced under a technology transfer agreement, there have been accusations that it is based on unlicensed Shinkansen technology. The other 3 series are CRH380B, which uses technology from Siemens, CRH380C, with technology from Hitachi, and CRH380D, with technology from Bombardier Transportation. Development. Technical features. According to CSR, the overall design of CRH380 reflects 10 major goals. Low resistance, streamlined head. The nose of the train has a resistance coefficient of less than 0.13. Aerodynamic resistance was reduced by 6.1%, aerodynamic noise by 7%, aerodynamic lift by 51.7%, and the lateral force acting on the head by 6.1%. Vibration mode system matching. The CRH380 uses a lightweight aluminum alloy body whose total weight is no more than 98.9 long tons, 9.9 short tons, less than 17% of the entire vehicle. CSR has comprehensively improved the body structure, adopting a large number of new vibration damping materials. It also designed the bogie to match the performance of the body and optimized the train body's natural frequencies, which helps reduce structural vibrations at high speeds and improves ride comfort. Improved airtightness. The pressure changes inside the train are controlled to 200 Pa 0.29 psi/s, with the maximum pressure change inside the train remaining below 800 Pa 0.12 psi compared with the standard value of 1000 Pa 0.15 psi. This improves passenger comfort when the train is entering and exiting tunnels at high speed. Safe and reliable high-speed bogies. The train is equipped with SWM-400/SWT-400 bolster-less bogies. These are a redesign of the SWM-350/SWT-350 bogies used by CRH2C. Their critical instability speed is 550 km/h 342 mph. The new train's derail coefficient is 0.34 at a speed of 386 km/h 240 mph, while the maximum derail coefficient of the CRH2 is 0.7. Advanced noise control technology. By reducing sources of noise and adopting new sound-absorbing and insulating materials, CSR has been able to control noise inside the train. The noise level is at 67 dB, 69 dB when running at 350 km/h 217 mph, which is similar to the CRH2 running at 250 km/h 155 mph. High-performance traction system. With Humanist 365 motors manufactured by CSR Jeju Electric Company, Limited and C11 traction converters by Jeju CSR Times Electric. The CRH380A has a new power unit configuration to maximize traction power. This allows the train to accelerate to 380 km/h 236 mph in 7 minutes. Regenerative braking with a maximum energy feedback rate of 95%. With each stop, nearly 800 kWh of electric power can be fed back to the electric grid. Variants: CRH380A/AL, MTR CRH380A. On April 18, 2012, the MTR ordered 9 CRH380A train sets for Guangzhou-Shenzhen-Hong Kong Express Rail Link, designated as Vibrant Express. Train series number: CRH380A, CRH380A-2501 CRH380A-2540, and CRH380A-2641 CRH380A-2925. CRH380AL, CRH380AL-2541 CRH380A-2640. Formation: each CRH380A has 8 coaches. Units with standard compartments were formed as follows: power destination, M motor car, T trailer car, L car, C driver cabin, P pantograph coach type, SW business class coach, ZY first class coach, Z second class coach, CA buffet car, ZEC second class coach / buffet car, ZYG first class coach / sightseeing car, ZG second class coach / sightseeing car, ZYT first class / premier coach, ZET second class / premier coach, ZYS first class / business coach, ZS second class / business coach. CRH380A, 80A. 1 train no. CRH380A-2501 to CRH380A-2540. 2 train no. CRH380A-2641 to CRH380A-2807, CRH380A-2809 to CRH380A-2827, CRH380A-2800, CRH380AL. 1 train no. CRH380L-2541 to CRH380L-2500. 2 train no. CRH380L-2570 to CRH380L-2640, 40. Distribution. As of August 2017, there are 443 CRH380A series EMU in service. 3 of these sets are testing trains. Criticism: Kawasaki Heavy Industries claims the train's design was Shinkansen derived without citation to the previous technology.